I have been talking about chunking. The most difficult part is just getting up from your seat. If you get up from your seat, you will automatically come over here. Come up, please. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 more. If mathematics is good, I think I need 2 more. One guarantee, everyone will be loving this activity. That is one guarantee which I can honestly give you. You will never feel forced when you are part of it. Who is the last lady? Yes. Okay. Another aspect of team building is how much can you stretch yourself for attaining the goals of the team. I hope you are able to get that. How much you can stretch. So here I'll be asking you to do something very interesting. We'll first divide ourselves into 2 groups, right? Numbers, please. 1, 2. என்ன நம்பர் உங்களுக்கு வருதோ you belong to that group, right? 1, 2, 2, right? So group 1, this place. Group 2, this place. Someone has miscalculated, right? Someone one should be 1 there, right? Yeah, you're 1 here. Right. I've been talking about the ability and the willingness of an individual to stretch himself so that the goal of the team has been achieved. So I would want you, these 2 groups, right, to form a bicycle. Right, to form a bicycle. Imagine as a group together, as a part of using your physical body, how can you form a cycle? You know what is a cycle, right? It has 2 wheels, a central frame, a seat, and pedals, and a handlebar. So try to constructively rearrange your physical body so that you are able to form a cycle. And we'll be the judges as to which team is able to form the best cycle, right? That's what we are going to see. So I'll give you 3 minutes, right? 3 to 5 minutes at the maximum. Try and form a cycle. Okay. See, observe what is happening and see how much people have willingness to stretch themselves. Okay, right? Is it finished? You have finished it, right? That's a completion. Okay, were you able to see that, right? Does it look like a bicycle? Yes or no? You need to be honest, right? At least it looks to a great extent, right? Like a bicycle. Let's give them a very, very big hand, right? Thank you, right? And what is happening here? Okay, right. Can you slightly stretch? More, something much more? Please be here, right? For 5 minutes. Huh? So how does it look like? Okay, right. Anyhow, we'll imagine, right? We'll imagine that it is a bicycle and let's give them a big hand, right? Thank you. Right. Can I have the mic, please? Okay. So who was the person who was stretching himself? Right. Right. Please give him a big hand. Right. Very, very big hand.
Thanks to all
So
of you.
what made you do that? Did anyone force you to do that, or did you do it on your own?
Teamwork.
The question is, I am asking you an individual psychology, right? யாராவது ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணாங்களா? நீங்க அதை பண்ணியே ஆகணும்னு கட்டாயப்படுத்தினாங்களா?
Sir, Hindi please. Hindi or English.
Only in English, right? Did anyone force you to do that? Did anyone compel you to do that?
Yeah.
He compelled you to do that? Right.
Actually, means whole thing is means planned by.
That is his plan, right? He asked you to do that. Why did you do that?
Teamwork. Teamwork to achieve that, to complete the target.
But were you happy doing that?
Yeah.
Right? You didn't feel bad, right?
No,
So
no.
many people, this would be telecast, right? Through World Wide Web. Were you thinking about it?
No.
No, you weren't thinking about it. You were thinking about only the accomplishment of the goal. Please give him a big hand. Very, 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 very big hand. And this group, who was the person getting behind, right? Please come over here, right? Yes. What was your thinking when you were doing that?
Sir, we should accomplish the task somehow.
Okay. You were between, I think, a pair of legs, right? One pair of leg was here, the other
Yes.
pair of leg was here. Were you really comfortable lying there?
Yes, sir. But I have to fold myself because
Yes.
I'm so tall.
Maybe you were uncomfortable, but you were not feeling it,
No.
right? You were sacrificing, willing to sacrifice, right?
Yes.
A certain level of your comfort for the accomplishment of the team.
Yes.
And in the process, you were also really happy.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Please give a big hand. That is it, right? Thank you, friends. Please. Thank you. So basically, we have been talking about a few important factors. What is the first thing we were discussing about? What is the word which I used? Which was the first word which I used? Synergy. Right? Synergy, 1 plus 1 is greater than 2. The sum of the whole is greater than the sum of the individual parts. That was the first thing we were using. The second one is invalidating the weaknesses. In a team, the weaknesses must be invalidated. Only the strengths must be coming into picture, and they must be collated in such a way that the entire team looks highly powerful. The individual weaknesses have been made invalid. The third one is motivation in the case of the individual motivation with the respect of the individuals to stretch themselves, to go beyond the limits, to undergo discomforts, but with a sense of satisfaction and with a sense of happiness. If a team leader is able to accomplish all these things, is able to build synergy in a team, is able to make the weaknesses invalid, if he is able to make the individuals go the extra mile, stretch themselves to a greater extent without any feelings of discomfort, those are the building blocks of essential team. Wishing you all the best, right? Thank you, dear friends.
Thank you, Mr. G. Ramasubramaniam, on building